Hi, my name is Leon, and I'll walk you through one of my designs of a red scope. Not necessarily a scope, but a placer for a red dot. So it's composed of three components. The first one is the base. It has the basic holder and the shape and the attachment that attaches to the gun. The second component is a lid, which prevents the insert the part the laser to fall out. And the third part is a lock that keeps the lid on the bot. So I started with the origin, and then after several scratches that came out of the first body, that's a part that attaches to the Nerf gun. So I measured the measurements on the Nerf gun, and I built anything else on top of it. After that, this is I designed this because it looks cool, and basically it uses the circle and then just add a few parts, including the edges here. After that, because I want to look cool, so I just added a switch. To calculate where the laser holder is going to be, I measure the center of the circle, and I create a construction line that leads to where the laser starts. And I created a holder. So that was the first part of my creation, and now I just have to keep this thing, uh, the thing on. So I created a lid. This lid is able to slid on and off. It's long enough to hold the entire laser pointer. And the last part, in order to keep the lid on the bottom part, I created a lock. The lock is basically a little rectangular shaped thing, but it fits inside the hole that connects the two body, so it's able to stop them from moving. So here's my creation. Basically, after it's printed, I have to make three separate prints for the three separate parts. Basically, I have to take this one out, slide the lid off, place the holder inside, and just reverse what I did. Thank you for watching.